Yes, it's Black Friday, but be careful because not every deal is a good deal. Make sure you stick with websites that you've used in the past, because there are a lot of dodgy ones out there as well as good ones. Even new ones can be good ones, but also there can be some dodgy ones. So like I said, stick with the ones that you know. If you're looking for a particular product, make sure you've done your research to make sure the price is actually a good price. And what I mean by that is they didn't inflate it 2 weeks before and then brought it back down again to the same price. Or even in some cases, it's even been dearer. So they put the price up a couple of weeks before, brought the price back down, but not as low as what it originally was. And you think, oh, that's a good deal. Look, I just saved £200. And then you realise, well, actually, I didn't save anything. So make sure you do your research. I will stick a link into all my affiliated links. Yeah, I think that's the right way to say it. I will stick a link into all the websites that I'm affiliated to. That's better. And what that does, if you use my links, it will give me a little kickback for making all my videos that I make. It will not cost you any more money whatsoever. It will still be whatever the price they're selling it on the website for at the time. It will still be that price. It's just that I will get a little kickback, and hopefully you will get a good bargain. I've already got one bargain. Actually, I'll show you right now where it is. This is a Western Digital 16 terabyte hard drive. Well, inside here anyway. And that was £239. Originally, according to Amazon website, it was about £407. I'm sure I see it for about 380, something like that, when I was looking, a few weeks ago or a couple of months ago. So that's what I mean about bargains. It's still a bargain. That's why I bought it, because I'm still saving a lot of money. And when I shuck it, take it out of there and put it into my NAS storage drives, when I stick it in now, I would have saved a lot of money, hopefully. Hopefully she works. I have tested it, make sure. So like I said, it's Black Friday, but be careful. Not every deal is a good deal. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.